Hey guys, what's happening? How to get verified on Instagram with Meta verified on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram, right? Go to your profile at the bottom right, and then access the settings. Click the three bars or the menu in the top right. Okay. Then go ahead to the account center or Meta. Or you can just scroll a little bit down if you found right here the Meta verified. I don't think you're gonna find it here. So go to the right here for professionals. You're gonna see Meta verified. Just go ahead and click it, and you're gonna be able to join the millions of Meta verified profiles, right? And check the eligibility. You must be 18 plus, have a public or private profile, and meet Meta's verification criteria, right? Go ahead and unlock benefits, right? Provide ID in payment, upload a government issued ID, and subscribe to Meta Verify paid service, right? As you can see right here, I will pay 46 Saudi Arabian Riyal per month. Go ahead and continue, right? And just wait for approval. Meta reviews your request, okay? And approval may take few days. And once approved, you will see the blue check mark on your profile. Get that blue badge and boost your credibility. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.